Right, morning. It's a nice sunny Monday morning, and I thought I'd just give you a quick update on how the Vitesse is doing. I've not done an awful lot over the last 10 days because I've had a lot of other stuff on, and I'm going to be away for the next week in sunny Malta with the lads, having a bit of a laugh. So I thought I'd just quickly update you on where it's got to. Although I've been doing other stuff, I have nipped in a couple of times when I've got a minute and done a few jobs. So first of all the badges and bits and pieces are now fitted. I've put star clips on the back of them so they're not going to fall off. Bonnet chrome's on. The door is built up, the locks are in, the window mechanism's in, everything's in it. I was waiting for the clips to fit the external weather strip, but they've just arrived, so I can do that. Boot lid, I finished polishing it, that's back on, and that's all built up. And once again, all the stuff inside, if I can show you, is fitted with star clips, so none of the panels are going to fall off. My clips for the side chrome have turned up as well, so I'm going to put that on in a minute. What else? Oh, and I've got the rear guides for the drop glasses. Now these are the original ones, and I bought some new ones, but they don't come with the brackets on. They're a pain to change over, so I've remade the originals. I don't know if you can see, but I've fitted them. I went to my local craft store, can't remember what it was called, and I bought some rubber foam, and which is that bit there, and I bought some felt, which is there, and I basically glued the felt to the rubber and then glued it into the channels, and I now have perfect working original channels. These ones are in really good condition, they're not rusty at all, so I'm going to refit those. Don't like these ones, they don't fit that well, they're a nightmare to put all the brackets on, and as with everything else, I'm trying to use as many original parts as I can, so those are going to go on. They're my clips for the door and the weather strip. So that's the next job, is put all those on. I can't remember what I put in the last video because it was so long ago, but I fitted the nice alloy rocker box that I've got instead of the old tin one. That cuts down on the noise a bit and it looks a lot better. I've got a new clip on the choke cable, and I've got a brand new throttle cable that arrived the other day. I don't know what it is with Triumph parts places these days, but every time I order stuff, they accept the order, they take the money, and then nothing arrives. And then when you ring them up, they say, oh, we haven't actually got any in stock, they'll be in soon, we'll send them to you. Don't take the money if you haven't got the stuff in stock. Really annoys me. Anyway, rant over. Right, I'm going to put my side chromes on, and I'm going to try and fit my weather strip, and that'll probably be the end of it for today. Right, that's the end for today. Got the chrome trims on, got the rest of the door built up with the glass in it and the quarter light vent fitted properly now. And I did one other quick job, which was change the gearbox mounts. Now, I'm going to show you something with this, if you can see it. People always say, oh, you've got to do this and you've got to do that. It's quite simple. Put the jack underneath the gearbox and just take the weight of the box off it. Then in here, there's two bolts. They're captive this side, they undo from underneath. Undo the two bolts and you can twist the gearbox mount out from the rubbers. Change the rubbers, put the new ones on, twist the gearbox mount back in, put the two bolts back in, job done, drop the jack. It takes about 10 minutes. You don't need to lift the gearbox much, you just need to take the weight off the mountings, and that's it. And you can swap the gearbox mounts in no time at all. That's the old gearbox mount that was fairly knackered, and that's the nice new ones in there. So quite a simple job really. Okay, that's it. That's the end of this video, and it will probably be about 10 days before I do another one by the time I get back from holidays. So hope you have a good time and the sun shines here for you, and I hope it does for me as well. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.